Hello guys, in this video I'll show you the three VS Code settings that I immediately turn off or disable. So these settings are Minimap, Breadcrumbs and Live Preview. So one by one I will show you. The first setting that you already know is this Minimap that shows in the right corner of the screen. So it is of no use. It also takes a lot of space as well while you write the code as well. So it's very annoying as well. So now to disable this minimap, it's very simple. You go to the settings option. So go to file preferences, go to settings, and right here simply search for this minimap. So if you type minimap right here, by default it's enabled. So you just need to disable this. So just untick this option. So now what happens that minimap is no longer showing right here. It also creates a lot of extra space that you can use in writing code as well. So personally I don't use minimap, so I disable this. The second setting is this breadcrumbs that shows while you open any file right here, it shows the total number of functions which are there. So it appears right here. It also shows the total number of files, the actual. So it's easy for you to navigate between different files. So at some scenarios it can be useful, but personally I don't use it. It also creates a lot of confusion as well. So now to disable this, again you go to settings and simply search for breadcrumbs. So if you simply search for breadcrumbs, the setting will come right here. By default, it's enabled. So again, you just need to untick this option. So to disable this. So now once again that now breadcrumbs are not showing right here. So this also creates a lot of extra space to write the code here. So you will see now it is disabled. So the last setting is really important in VS Code, which is the most annoying setting. So while you open multiple files, let's suppose I show you the first file you open right here, you will see the file is opened. And now if you open the second file here, it closes the previous file. So that's a really annoying setting. So as you see, we open the second file here, it closes the previous file that I opened right here. So now to disable this, you again go to settings right here. So it's actually live preview setting. So go to file preferences and go to settings, and inside the search bar simply type here live preview. So yeah, so as soon as you type editor live preview, the second option this one, editor suggest preview. So by default it will be checked. So you just need to uncheck this option. So as soon as you do this, now what happens, so once you open multiple files here, let me see what is live preview setting is there. So I think it is present inside editor. Sorry, this setting, not this one, this setting. Workbench editor enable preview. This is the, once you open editor live preview, search this is a third setting. So by default it will be enabled. So just untick this option to disable this. So now what happens, once you open multiple files, so that previous file will stay. So this is the most annoying setting. So this creates confusion because the previous file is closed while you open the new file. So this is three settings of VS Code that you should immediately disable or turn off.